Okay, so we're going to be giving you some code that's going to be used for the infrared sensor, and we will put this in the code hint file. Basically, what it's doing is it's telling the Arduino that pin 4 is going to be a receiver, and it's going to be an infrared receiver, and that this particular code is letting us also see what the Arduino is receiving from a remote control, because we need to be able to control the vehicle with the remote control. So I've put this code in, and I'm going to upload it. You can see my cute little remote control here. Notice that it has kind of an up, a down, a right, a left, and a middle button. So I'm going to decide what I want those to be, and I'm going to decide that I'm going to be super logical, and up is forward, and down is reverse, and right is right, left is left, and the middle one I'm going to have be halt. And so I'm going to want to make note of that in my project document. Now that I've uploaded it, I can go up to Tools, and I can go to Serial Monitor. Now this code has made it so that when I press a button on the remote, code is going to show up here. So I'm going to press the up button, and you can see that a bunch of F's show up, but there's also this little number that shows up. That number is the code for that up button. And that special code, we're going to want to keep track of that, because I want that to be my forward. Now you'll notice if I press the down button on the remote, it's a slightly different code. So that's going to be the code I'm going to need to remember, that I want that code to be my reverse. And then it would be a different one if I press the right button, and a different one for left, and a different one for stop. So in my project document, I need to copy these special codes that go with my remote, and I probably need to put a piece of masking tape on the remote that I'm using with my group ID on it, so that I remember which remote is the one that I'm using, and keep track of all of that. So that is basically how you get the IR receiver to get information from your remote to communicate it. Next, I will be showing you a little bit more about how to use it.